I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Spotlight search on your iPhone to quickly find apps, contacts, or anything else you might want to find.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So step one, you're going to take your finger in the middle of the screen and then swipe down like this. And then it's going to pull up a search bar for you. And in this section, you can type in any app that you want to find. Let's say I want to find the Measure app. Then boom, right there, it's the top hit, and you can tap and open that app. You can do this for things like apps, as well as contacts, and you can even ask it questions if you'd like. For example, if I wanted to know what the weather was like tomorrow, if I click go, it's going to open that top hit, but I can scroll down from here and I can open the weather tomorrow in a Google search, or in these websites list, I can pick a specific website, or I can download this new app called tomorrow.io. And now you know how to use Spotlight search.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.